Good morning, students. Welcome. Today we are going to learn lesson number 4.2, the revolutionary steps in surgery. Now we will see what the revolutionary steps have been come across from the ancient to the modern. Okay, what are the steps? What are the we can say advanced technology and all we see nowadays in the surgery and all. Let's see. First, it is a warming up. Discuss in your class. Do you like to study science? What are the advantages of learning science? Are robots truly useful to human beings? Why? Why not? How can we take help of the robots in our daily life? Name some gadgets and the appliances that we use in day-to-day life. These are the questions we can discuss with your friends and all. If you are interested in science, you can come across all these questions and you will get the answers also. Imagine that one of your family members, friends, classmates have recently undergone a surgery. You are curious and wanted to learn about his experience. Means any of your family members or friends whoever you know, if anybody's come undergone any surgery, कोई सर्जरी उनके या उनके फैमिली मेम्बर्स में हुआ है तो क्या बात है, you were curious and wanted to learn about his or her experience. This is what about उन्होंने क्या experience किया. You can share that things with your friends or family members. So here some of the questions asked here. You have to match the question you asked with their answers. You have to match it. What health problem did you suffer? Whom did you inform about first? What type of doctor did you consult? How did she find out you need a surgery? What preparations are done before the surgery? What did you feel when you were taken to the operation theatre? What was the first step before the actual surgery? Did you feel any pain during the surgery? These are some of the questions, okay? And I was given a bath. That is what the who has undergone the surgery. That is their reply. I was given a bath and wore a surgical gown. Before the surgery, you have to wear the surgical gown. मतलब वो gown होता है specially for the patient who will be wearing. I was given injections of anesthesia. And before operating the operations, they are given anesthesia. Anesthesia दिया जाता है मतलब बेहोश किया जाता है. That is what anesthesia, the injection that makes you numb, your body numb. I consulted an orthopedic surgeon. I was relieved and happy that an operation was over. I had fractured my ankle while playing hockey. So no, I did not feel anything. I was the first asleep. I recovered and I could walk normally after 3 weeks. I was school hockey coach. The doctor took an X-ray of an ankle and all. He found a fracture in my ankle. I was very nervous. See, these are the questions. You have to match with these answers. Okay, जो question दिया गया है, what health problem did you suffer from? क्या health problem था? Okay, you have to find it. I have fractured an ankle with playing hockey and all. तो you have to मतलब उसके हिसाब से आपको मैच करना है. Whom did you inform about it first? आपने पहले किसको इन्फॉर्म किया? तो our school hockey coach, उनको पहले इन्फॉर्म किया गया था. तो these are the group A which you have to match with the group B. Okay, this is all. And here it is the grammar portion, the main clause and the subordinate clause. Two clauses you might be knowing. The sentence is divided into the main clause and the subordinate clause. The main clause, it doesn't depend on the other part of the sentences. They are complete sentence, and the subordinate clause relay or depend on the main sentence. The thief stole the money. This is a main clause, and he ran away. He ran away will be the subordinate clause. It is joined with the conjunctions hand. This is what I think you come across all these main clause and subordinate clauses. ये आपके पहले भी हो चुके हैं. This is the you have to do it. Now we will proceed with our lesson. Revolutionary steps in surgery. Surgery dates back to as early as 600 BC. Sushruta Samhita is one of the oldest works in the world dealing with surgery. It indicates that Sushruta was probably the first surgeon to perform surgical operations, plastic surgery. Later, some ancient surgeons performed tooth extractions and blood letting. See, first it was started in 600 BC. Sushruta, I think you come across this lesson, I think in standard 6th or something. Sushruta. In that you might be first, it was first about the this one horse surgery. You might have come across all this lesson. So I think you might be remembering. The first surgery was done as early as 1600 BC. Sushruta Samhita is one of the oldest work dealing with surgery. This was the oldest thing work we can say which deal with the surgery. It indicates that Sushruta was probably the first surgeon to perform surgical operation. Later, some ancient surgeons performed tooth extractions and blood letting. Means Sushruta was the first person to do surgical operation, matlab surgery, and that was odds. It was a heart surgery on odds. And he was the first person to do the surgery. Later on, many other surgeons came also related to tooth and all and blood letting. Let's see what it is. Revolutionary means causing a total dramatic change. मतलब जो ancient time में था, अभी it has been advanced, everything technology is advanced, even the surgery, everything. In the ancient period we didn't have any surgery things. Later on surgery part came and surgery came into actions and all, and after modes of technology advancement and all, we have advanced technology for performing surgery and all. So it is said as revolutionary, okay, a dramatic change. Then blood letting means draining out blood. Blood letting is to drain the blood out of your body. If you have any diseases related to blood and all, in some such diseases you have to remove the blood and all, you have to replace with the other blood and all. So this is blood letting. Major surgery could develop from centuries because of lack of knowledge and technology. The doctors had to open the part of the body that was not healthy, remove it or set right that part. This would involve a lot of pain to the patient. General anesthesia like ether and chloroform developed only from the mid-19th century, making painless surgical operation possible and successful. What is said? Major surgery could not develop from centuries because lack of knowledge. मतलब major surgeries were not done because they didn't have knowledge. See, major surgery could not develop for century because lack of knowledge and technology. Means major surgery was not taken place during this very long back because they did not have any knowledge and there was not such technology in which they can perform the surgery and all. So the lack of knowledge and technology made the surgery more difficult. Later on, many technique and technology came in front, and even the people started to gain the knowledge to do the various type of. So due to the lack of knowledge and technology, the major surgeries were not done before in the ancient period. The doctors had to cut open the part of the body that was not healthy, remove it or set right that part. Means what? The doctor had to cut the part of the body. If any operation had to be operated, the doctors have to cut the part of the body, okay. That was not healthy, remove it or to set right that part. If any problem is there, if that thing is not working, the organs it is not working and all, they have to remove that organ. Okay, for that they have to cut the part of the body and remove that organ which is not working and all. This was done. Set right that part. This would involve lot of pain. So removing the organ and all, any part of the body cut and removed, it gave lot of pain to the patients. So that time no such things were diagnosed and no such things were made that will make the patient relax and without any pain. Later, what happened? General anesthesia like ether and chloroform developed only from the mid 19th century. During 19th century, we are we got the idea of the chloroform and ether, that is anesthesia that numbs the part of the body which has to be operated. Okay, even the full body is numbed up or otherwise any part of the body which has to be operated. यानी कोई भी एक हिस्सा जो ऑपरेशन करना है तो उस चीज़ को सुन किया जाता है या पूरा शरीर को सुन किया जाता है एनेस्थीसिया एक इंजेक्शन देने से. So that will not have pain, the patient won't have the pain and all, they won't feel the pain of that during operating and all. तो उनको पेशेंट्स को दर्द का महसूस नहीं होता, वो सुन्न हो जाता है, तो बॉडी को ब्रेन को ये दर्द का एहसास नहीं होता एंड दे आर रिलैक्स्ड. Only of the mid 19th century anesthesia was made, okay, and making painless surgical operation possible and successful. So there was no pain for the patients. They didn't feel the pain at all. That's why surgical operation were easily done and they were also successful. See, anesthesia is given. Substance, gases that make one feel no pain. This is one injection that is given to the patient where the patient doesn't feel any pain during the operation and all. Modern techniques are used nowadays for anesthesia. See, modern techniques are nowadays it is used during the anesthesia. General anesthesia benumbs the whole body and it is used for surgery for any region of the body. For local anesthesia, local anesthetics are injected into the surgical spot or on area near nerves. So modern techniques have been developed nowadays for the anesthesia and all. See, general anesthesia that is benumbs the whole body, that numbs complete body, means there is no life in the body, we can say, मतलब शरीर सुन्न हो जाता है, you don't feel any pain in the body when it is operated. And it is used for surgery for any region of the body, and this technique is used for any part of the surgery in any part of the body region. Okay. For local anesthesia, local anesthetics are injected into the surgical spot or on any area near a nerve. Local anesthesia is also done, means if you have pain in your hand, your leg and all, anything has to be operated in your leg and hand and all, so they don't completely numb your complete entire body, they'll just numb your part of that hand or your leg. यानी उसी चीज़ को उसी पार्ट को नम किया जाता है, सुन किया जाए जहाँ पे ऑपरेशन है. इफ इट इज इन हैंड और लेग समथिंग लाइक दैट. ओके, जो मेन सर्जरी मतलब बड़ा सर्जरी ना हो तो. Over the years now, revolutionary steps have been taken in different parts of the complicated surgery and these have been made such operation successful. Let us start with the cardiac surgery. Today, if you need to have a heart surgery, you can choose from the main fine doctors. However, before 1893, this type of the surgery was unknown. Means, let us now, they are talking about the cardiac surgery, the surgery related to heart problem. Those who are facing heart problems and all, they has to be operated. Okay, heart attack and all, that is related to the heart. So that operation has to be done. So today if you need a heart surgery, you can choose from, you can have many fine doctors. Nowadays you will find many doctors related to heart disease and all. But before 1893, this type of surgery was not known. Before 1893 there was nothing like हार्ट सर्जरी. ओके, हार्ट से रिलेटेड कोई भी सर्जरी नहीं होता था बिफोर 1893 बिकॉज we didn't have the knowledge how to operate because it is a very major operations. If anything goes wrong during that operation, the patient will lose the life. तो ये बहुत ही मेजर ऑपरेशंस होते थे एंड बिफोर 1893 we didn't know about that heart surgery. Nowadays we will find many हार्ट सर्जन, बहुत नामचीन डॉक्टर्स होते हैं जो रिलेटेड टू हार्ट होते. डॉक्टर्स डिड नॉट हैव मॉडर्न मेडिकल टूल्स एंड प्रोसीजर्स एसेंशियल फॉर द हार्ट सर्जरी. ओके, देयर वाज अ लैक ऑफ मॉडर्न मेडिकल टूल्स ऑल्सो एंड प्रोसीजर ऑल्सो, मीन्स डिडंट नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट द हार्ट रिलेटेड टू हार्ट essential for the heart surgery. In those days, heart patients were treated with sedatives and they usually did not survive. And this heart patient has to be treated with sedative. See, sedative is substance that makes someone sleepy. ऐसा कुछ दिया जाता था दवाई जिसकी वजह से लोगों मीन्स द पेशेंट यूज्ड टू स्लीप एंड दिस पेशेंट वोंट सर्वाइव, मतलब दे हैड लॉस्ट देयर लाइफ and they usually did not survive, means they died. Then in 1893, Daniel Hale Williams, a young African American surgeon, attempted a new medical technique in order to save a patient life. Okay, what happened in 1893? Daniel Hale Williams, a young African American surgeon, he was a American surgeon who attempted a new medical technique, means he did a new medical technique in order to save such patient's life. A patient, James Cornish, was suffering from a very serious knife wound. The knife had cut an artery less than an inch from his heart and punctured the pericardium, the sac around the heart. Dr. William, with 6 staff doctors, performed a complicated and a daring operation. Dr. William became the first surgeon to save his patient by successfully repairing the human heart. What it is said, it is in this paragraph, James Cornish was suffering from very serious knife wound. Means he had a wound over his chest, on his chest, and it has cut an artery less than an inch. मीन्स यू नॉट बी नोइंग अबाउट हार्ट रेस, जो हार्ट से रिलेटेड जो नर्व्स वगैरह होते हैं हार्ट रेस, उसको पंचर किया था लेस देन इंच फ्रॉम द हार्ट, एकदम हार्ट के पास वो घाव लगे हुए थे. ये कट ओवर देयर एंड पंचर द पेरिकार्डियम. पेरिकार्डियम मीन्स इट इज अ सैक अराउंड द हार्ट, जो हार्ट को बचाने के लिए एक बाजू से कवरिंग रहती है, उसको पंचर किया था. बट एकदम दिल के अंदर घुसा नहीं था, बाहर का जो सैक है उसको पंचर किया था. तो दिस हैज़ टू बी ऑपरेटेड. डॉक्टर विलियम, what they did with the 6 other doctors, he performed this complicated. See, the heart surgery is very complicated. As I told you earlier, if anything goes wrong, the patient will lose his life. So Dr. William with his 6 other staff doctors, he performed the complicated and daring operations. And he was the first surgeon to save his patient, successfully repairing the human heart. He was the first person to save his patient. The first patient was successfully, operation was operated in him, and it was a successful operation, and he was the first, Dr. William was the first surgeon to operate this operation. Now many more advanced techniques are used too in this specialty to deal with the heart complication. Open heart surgery, which can help to repair heart defects, heart valves, and even replace them, is also performed successfully with proper measures. Patients can recover from cardiac surgery faster than they did before. Means now the advanced technique has helped a lot. And these advanced techniques are used in the specialty to deal with the heart complication. It deals with the heart complication and is specialized in that. Open heart surgery is done, which can help the repair heart defects. Open heart surgery means it helps to repair the heart defects. Any problem is there in your heart, your valves and all, it can be replaced and all. And nowadays that this operation is very successfully done. With proper measures, everything precautionary steps have been taken, and patients recover very fast and from the cardiac surgery. Neurosurgery is another recent specialty to have received recognition since the early 1900s. It is concerned with the treatment of the disorder of the nervous system. Now, neurosurgery is related with the disorder of the nervous system. अपने ब्रेन में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स होते हैं दिमाग में, it is looked after है न्यूरोसर्जरी. उनको न्यूरोसर्जरी सर्जन बोलते हैं, related to brains and all. Okay, so neurosurgeon is one of the deals with the disorder of the nervous systems. Neurosurgeons operate on the brain, the spine and the nerves. Okay, see, neurosurgeon operates on the brain. If there is any problem or defect in your brain, it is operated by the neurosurgeon. Even neurosurgeon works on the spine, that is the back of our backbone, that we know that, or the nerves, even the nerves. They can treat patients of all ages from the newborn to the elderly who has suffered a stroke. Means this neurosurgeon, they treat the patients of all ages, from the child, small baby, till the older one. Harvey Cushing, 1869 and 1939, is considered to be the father of the modern neurosurgical surgery. In the early part of the 20th century, he developed basic techniques and instruments for operating on the brain as a distinct surgical specialty. See, Harvey Cushing, it is given name of the person, 1869 to 1939, is considered the father of the modern neurological surgery. दिस द फादर ऑफ द नेशन से वैसे ही हार्वे क्यूसिन को क्या बोला जाता है, इज द फादर ऑफ द मॉडर्न न्यूरोलॉजिकल सर्जरी, इज द फादर ऑफ द मॉडर्न न्यूरोलॉजिकल सर्जरी. In the early part of 20th century, he developed basic techniques and instruments for operating on the brain as a distinct surgical specialty. And he had developed many new techniques were found and new instruments were brought up for the operating of the brain and all. Okay. Cushing dramatically reduced the mortality rate of neurosurgery from 90% to less than 10%. Means what it is, he reduced the mortality. Mortality मतलब डेथ रेट yes reduce. जो डेथ होते थे ब्रेन में, जब ऑपरेशन किया था, जो डेथ रेट 90% लोगों को मरने के चांसेस रहती थी, तो उस वक्त उन्होंने उसको घटा के 10% तक किया. मीन्स ही हैड ए रिमार्केबल अचीवमेंट इन द neurosurgery, means in the operating of the brains and all. By the time of the retirement, 1937, he had successfully removed more than 2,000 tumors. Okay, what is this? Before he got retirement, he had removed 2,000 tumors from the brain. ब्रेन में ट्यूमर्स होते हैं, क्लॉट जैसा होता है, ट्यूमर्स हम जिसको बोलते हैं, जैसे क्लॉट होता है. He has removed 2,000 tumors before he got retired. The main reason that mortality rates had been so high before was blood loss. Why it is mortality rates were increased? यानी मरने की क्षमता क्यों ज़्यादा थी पहले के ज़माने, क्योंकि जब ऑपरेशन किया जाता है तो खून काफ़ी बहता है, तो उसके वजह से लॉस ऑफ ब्लड की वजह से the patient used to die. The main reason that mortality rates had been so high before was blood loss. Among Cushing's significant achievement were the methods to stem his blood loss by inventing a clip called silver clip or Cushing clip. Among Cushing's significant achievements are the methods to stem this blood loss by inventing a clip. And he invented a clip that was put onto the nerve to stop the blood. Okay, मतलब blood flow होने से रोकने के लिए एक ऐसा clip उन्होंने बनाया जिससे blood flow ना हो और patient की death ना हो. To prevent the blood flowing, he made a Cushing clip that was named by his name. Thus, neurosurgery is one of the most cutting edges in the world of surgery and medicine. So, you can say thus neurosurgery is one of the most cutting edges. What is robotic surgery? See, in this also robotic surgery also takes place. Robotic surgery is a type of minimal invasive surgery. Minimal invasive means that instead of operating on patient through the large incision, use is made up of miniaturized surgical instruments that fit through the series of quarter-inch incisions. When performing surgery with the Da Vinci, the world's most advanced surgical robot, this miniaturized instrument was mounted on 3 separate robotic arms, allowing the surgeon maximum range of motions and precisions. The Da Vinci 4th arm contains the magnified high-definition 3D camera that guides the surgeon during the procedure. Means robotic surgery, this help of the robotics were also used to perform the surgery. First, what happened, if any surgery is to take place, the doctor is to make a big cut, एक बड़ा कट किया जाता है, फिर वो ऑपरेट करते हैं. लेटर व्हाट हैपेंड, एक स्मॉल माइनर कट बॉडी में डाला जाता है. इट इज मेंशन्ड ओवर हियर quarter inch, यानी only the 3/4 or something about this much in only cut is done. A small part of this robotic, or we can say a surgical part is instrument is inserted into the body and operation is done. यानी रोबोटिक से मदद लेके ऑपरेशन किया जाता था, जिसमें कैमरा वगैरह फिक्स किए जाते थे और छोटा सा कट डाल के वो एक इंस्ट्रूमेंट अंदर डाल के उससे उसकी मदद से ऑपरेशन किया जाता था। और ऑपरेशन से वो जो कैमरा में डॉक्टर्स को दिखाई देता था कि हाउ इट इज़ ऑपरेटेड एंड दे इज टू वॉच फ्रॉम द कैमरा एंड accordingly the operation was done. The Da Vinci 4, that is called the Da Vinci, okay, it contains three high definition 3D camera that guides the surgeon during the procedure. The surgeon controls these instructions and the camera from console located in the operating room. Placing these fingers into the master control, he is able to operate all four arms of the Da Vinci while looking through the stethoscopic high definition monitor. The robot literally places the surgeon inside the patient. Means with the help of this robot, this surgeon is to do the operate. ये करते थे, उसके जो भी इक्विपमेंट्स होते थे वो part of the small incision they put it on and operation is performed. The robot literally places the surgeon inside the patient. This gives him a better, more detailed 3D view of the operating site that the surgeon eye can provide. Means during सर्जन जो डॉक्टर को जो आंखों से देख नहीं सकते, कर नहीं सकते, उतने डीपली वो नहीं जा सकते, बट हेल्प ऑफ दिस डा विंसी इट कंटेन कैमरा एंड ऑल द थिंग्स टू डीपली, मतलब अंदर तक पूरे अंदर तक जांच करने के लिए इसका इस्तेमाल करते थे और ये मदद करते थे सर्जन लोगों को सर्जरी करने के लिए, क्योंकि जो आंखों से वो देख नहीं सकते थे, ये कैमरा जो है वेरी क्लोज, इट गोज वेरी क्लोज टू द थिंग वेयर इट हैज टू बी ऑपरेटेड, और उनसे ज़्यादा उनको नॉलेज मिलता था, वो अच्छे से आसानी से ऑपरेशन कर सकते थे. एवरी मोमेंट ही makes with the master control is replicated accurately by the robot. When necessary, the surgeon can even change the scale of the robot's movement. If he selects 3:1 to scale, the tip of the robotic arms will move just 1 inch from every 3 inches that surgeon hands move. यानी जहाँ तक सर्जन के हाथ नहीं जा सकते, where the surgeon's hand could not reach, even this minute robot used to go, यानी उतनी डीपली, उतने छोटा पार्ट में भी कहीं पे भी जाके जैसे चाहिए, इफ वांट द डॉक्टर make the robot move to that side and the operation is operated very easily. यानी जहाँ पे भी अगर समझे डॉक्टर का हाथ नहीं पहुँचता है, बहुत गहरी जगह में या बहुत अंदर नहीं, वहाँ पे भी ये जो रोबोट है वो एक छोटा सा रोबोट होता है जो अंदर पेनिट्रेट किया जाता है, and that is to do the operations and all. Utilizing this advanced technology, our surgeons are able to perform a growing number of complex surgical procedures. Since these procedures can now be performed through very small incision, our patients experience a number of benefits compared to the open surgery of the past. First, you used to have to cut, if any surgery has to be operated, surgery has to be done, a big cut has to be put in the part of the body and surgery is done. But nowadays only a small cut on the body, and with this type of new technology and advanced technology, we can perform the very complex surgery also. कितने भी complex surgery क्यों ना हो, आजकल की टेक्नोलॉजी की वजह से किया जा सकता है. जहाँ पे बड़ी बड़ी कट डाले जाते थे शरीर में ऑपरेशन करने के लिए, वहाँ पे छोटे से कट से ही उसके अंदर ऐसे ही सब टेक्नोलॉजिकल ये इक्विपमेंट डाल के बहुत आसानी से ऑपरेशन किया जा सकता है, जिससे पेशेंट भी जल्दी रिकवर भी होता है, उसे ज़्यादा तकलीफ भी नहीं होता है, एंड सर्वाइवल ये भी बढ़ जाता है उनको. ओके, दिस इज हाउ द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, एडवांस टेक्नोलॉजी हैज हेल्प द even the doctors and give a relief to the patients also, with reducing pain and all. Okay, this is what we learned about in this lesson about the surgery. Thank you.